In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the custom label or SKU in your eBay listings. This is a quick tip designed to enhance your eBay selling experience by adding an extra layer of organization to your products. Whether you're an experienced seller or new to eBay, customizing your SKU can streamline your inventory management and make tracking a whole lot easier. Let's jump right in. First, navigate to the eBay website. Open your internet browser and go to the eBay homepage. This is your starting point for the entire process. Ensure you're using a stable internet connection to prevent any interruptions. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Sign In button. You'll find this in the top right corner of the page. Signing in is essential because it gives you access to your personal seller dashboard where you can manage your listings and make adjustments as needed. Now that you've signed in, head over to the eBay home by clicking on the eBay logo at the top left corner if you're not already there. It's always good to double check that you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple eBay profiles. With that done, it's time to navigate to the Sell on eBay section. On the top menu, you'll see the option to sell or create new listings. Click on this to move forward. This is where you'll be able to create a new listing or manage existing ones. Next, find the listing section within your seller dashboard. Once you locate it, click on it. This area provides you with all the tools you need to add a new listing or modify your existing ones. After selecting your listing area, look for the recommended options. This feature often suggests enhancements and options you may consider adding to your listing to make it more competitive or to meet eBay's best practices. Finally, there's an option labeled UK shoe size, which may seem unrelated but offers a glimpse into the many attributes you can use to customize your listing further for international customers. While you're focusing on the SKU, remember that eBay offers numerous details you can tweak to fine-tune your listing's visibility and appeal in various markets. Using SKUs in your listings helps you track inventory more effectively, organize your products, and can even assist in sales analytics. It's a subtle yet powerful tool that eBay offers to its sellers. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips valuable and that they help optimize your selling strategy on eBay. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and detailed guides. See you in the next video.